All right, my people, no be small thing. Cubana Chief Priest celebrates a new car that was gifted to him after losing election. And according to Cubana Chief Priest, he said he might be losing, but you can still be winning while losing. APC is pampering him, according to him in his words. He said even after he lost the election, he was gifted a brand new Lexus 570. Like this, a brand new car that has been delivered to him for losing the election. I don't understand this kind of thing. How person go they lose election, still they collect gifts. Now, this kind of thing I don't understand. He revealed it during the interview he had with Pella, and he was seen as the car was delivered to him today as he posted it, and he had a lot of things to say.
To me. Now the party is pampering me. They're like, oh, CP, don't worry.
I think Tinubu, he posts you, he accommodates you, he said, no, I'm sorry.
So he's working in my favor.
Yes.
One of my chairman called me today. He said, CP, are you okay? I said, Baba, I just did try. He said, no worry. Say, you get motor where I've been buying for you, what I won't give you after your primaries. Say, boy, you'll be my honorable for life. Say, tomorrow, come pick up the car. So tomorrow we're picking up a brand new LX 700H.
So you feel lose? May they still give you gifts?
You know, that's
crazy.
That's the most painful part of this whole thing, you know. I have a great league of friends. I have goodwill with a lot of people.